Did you know that falls are the #1 reason for senior injuries? Well, we're going to try to help you stop some of those. Hi, my name is Becky Pickett. I'm president and owner of Home Helpers of the Upstate. #1, mind your gait step. And what we mean by that is, how are they walking? Are you shuffling? Are you lifting up your feet? Are they taking really small, short steps that could easily be caught in a rug or other slippery thing? Or even worse, are they furniture walking? Well, furniture walking is when you're using either the wall or a piece of furniture to get where you need to go. Now, a lot of times we see people using the wall with one hand and the couch on another to move safely through a small area. #2, remove throw rugs. They're a very big fall hazard. Well, if you're going to use throw rugs, make sure that they're actually taped down and where they're safe so they won't just accidentally roll up. #3 is actually use assistive devices. This can be anything from a cane to a walker to a rollator. And these really can help you stay safe and comfortable and independent in your own home. Well, it's not always easy to admit you need the help, but with those assistive devices, it just keeps you safe. And I'd rather be safe at home than hurt and in a hospital. #4, install grab bars. We highly recommend that if you have stairs, that there be handrails on each side so that it's easier to hold on to instead of the wall. Also, if you need handrails, you also need bars in your shower, bathroom, to make it easier to get up from the toilet or easy to hold on to when you're taking your shower. And we highly recommend My Mobility Medics, located just off Garlington Road. They're a great partner to us and provide a great assistance in any of those needs. #5, proper clothing. It's not okay to wear those slippery socks anymore. We highly recommend people wearing shoes or the socks with the grippers on them. Regular socks are really easy to fall with, to slip, and we never know what little surfaces you're going to be hitting against. We highly encourage you to use well-fitting shoes with good soles. It just makes life a whole lot easier for you and for your family. And also, when you're wearing your clothes, make sure they're well-fitting and not too loose or too long. We've had a couple of clients that have fallen because their pants were too long, and even though they had good shoes on, they were stepping on their own pants. If you'd like to learn more, we would love to come out and do a free home consult as well as a safety check. You can reach us at 864-848-1729 or visit our website at www.homehelpershomecare.com/upstate. Hope to talk to you soon.